Hi students, we all know that great teamwork is very desirable and is equally powerful. How about having 1 plus 1 instead of 2 if it is 11? 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 111, 111 and not 3. Isn't it amazing? Yes, it is. Now, how to get that? That kind of impact, that kind of effect can be obtained by understanding the teammates and leading them well. The leader has the most powerful role to keep all group members motivated. I would like to draw your attention to the fact that you must, as a leader, keep all the group members very involved, give them work, allot them work. Maybe you could have some subsets within the group to accomplish one component of your bigger goal. Now select components of the subgroups based on their complementarity in the function. At the same time, they should be like-minded. They should have faith between them or among them, and we should trust them that they will do it. It's of paramount importance to be trusting and trustworthy, both. Trusting means we can trust others. Trustworthy is that we are having that kind of reputation that people feel like trusting us. And when somebody trusts us, we should never let them down. We should never betray. We should be up to the mark. And if we make any mistake, then soon, if somebody tells us, fine, otherwise ourselves also we can realize, we can gauge from the other's behavior and realize our mistake, accept the mistake, take the responsibility, rectify, and then the rest is history. Trust the team members and know their capabilities. According to their capabilities, interest, and preference, allot them work. Make arrangements that they acquire that skill set which is needed for that particular task. If they have any personal problem in their family, if somebody is unwell or they are unwell, or if they have their important festival, then accommodate them and free them for some time. Let them have their fill. Let them come back recharged. In the meantime, just manage without them. If we don't do that, then indirectly we encourage the team member to tell lies. Because if we leave them with no option, they will come up with lame lies. So then we will feel very betrayed. We will feel very hurt. So empower others so that they can empower us back. If someone turns passive, then counsel them in private and try to know why they are doing what they are doing. Because somebody could be fighting a battle in their personal life. In that case, be kind as a human being. I have seen that if I accommodate anybody, they always come back, rebound, and do their best for the group. So having a group is very nice thing, and we are lucky if our group is good, of good people, and I would say that we could, it is in our hands to turn our group into a powerful group by a powerful leadership. What do you think? Write in the chat box, please. Here's wishing you a powerful team and you as a mighty team member or even as a team leader. Follow these tips and enjoy your life, accomplish big goals. Here's wishing you all the best. I thank you for watching my videos. See you soon. Take care and bye.